Hey folks, temperatures chilly across the valley tonight. Everybody at or below freezing now. The temperatures in the lower valley, all the data has disappeared from Willacy and Cameron County for some reason, but last we saw you're looking at about 30 to 32 degrees across that area as well. 29 to 32 across the upper valley. And if we take a look at what's going on as far as the winds, they're still out of the north basically, but again, just upper valley data showing up a little stronger closer to the coast. This is what it feels like when you add the wind in with the temperatures. Feels like about 20 in Weslaco, 24 in McAllen. About the same in the lower valley. I think the wind's probably still stronger, and at the coast certainly stronger there, so wind chills pretty similar as you get closer to the coast. Now your forecast lows tonight, you're looking at anywhere from 29 to about 40, but the only place that'll be 40 is the island. Everybody else at or slightly below freezing overnight tonight. Now the issue is places like Weslaco, we hit 32 late this afternoon and have been at or below freezing already for about 6 to 7 hours, and we've probably got another 12 to go. So you're looking at some places about 18 hours at or slightly below freezing. So you know, you're not looking at a deep freeze, you're not looking at 24 or 25, but you're looking at 12 to 18 hours at or below 32. So that's a good idea to go out and let your faucets trickle just a little bit, because you've got exposed pipes. That's enough to make them freeze when you're looking at 18 hours below freezing. So again, let the water trickle or wrap the pipes if you haven't already done so. Tomorrow's highs only in the 30s except at the beach. 38 Harlingen, Weslaco, McAllen, Edinburgh. The moisture is moving slowly but surely off to the south and east, and what's left now is primarily in the coastal counties, and I think it will slowly continue to push off toward the east. So the places most likely to see any significant icing, we're talking about Cameron County, a little bit of Willacy County, maybe southeast Hidalgo County. There's still some moisture back here. It's not completely gone. Far interchange, we told you, closed because it's been misting there. So there's still some light stuff not even being picked up here. And when temperatures are below freezing, that causes ice on some roadways. So just use extra caution. Now, Future Track takes this stuff and it'll eventually push it out. But you can see that Cameron County under the gun with a lot of just freezing drizzle right now. Freezing on exposed surfaces primarily. The road, the ground is just too warm. But signs, your car, a coating of ice on your car if it sits outside for long, that's the problem you're experiencing across the eastern half of the valley tonight. Overnight tonight, clouds stick around, but the rain moves out. But then tomorrow, spotty showers still a possibility. Clouds stick around all day. By the time you get to Friday, I think that's maybe the wettest day of the bunch. There's a big disturbance coming through that will help trigger rain. We're going 50% both Thursday and Friday. By then, the temperatures are a little bit warmer, but not a lot. But the threat of freezing precipitation won't be with us after late tonight and early tomorrow. So here's your highs, 38, 43, 54, all well below the normal of 71. Rest of Texas tonight, look at that, 14 in Abilene, 14 in Dalhart. Dallas is 21. Longview's 14. It is a cold night across all of the Lone Star State. The front is down to the south of us. High pressure is building in. It will push eastward by the time we get to the end of the week. That'll turn our surface winds back out of the southeast, bringing moisture back in. But an upper disturbance comes across, giving us that shower threat on Friday. By Saturday, I think that threat fades away, and then we start to warm temperatures up once again. Travel plans tomorrow? Take a coat. The day starts sunny, but 22 in San Antonio, 21 in Houston. The day starts with 16 in Dallas. Most of the state warms back into the 30s and 40s. If you're headed to our coast, here's what you can expect. The winds are strong all day out of the north. Temperatures in the 40s all day. UV's low, rip current is high. The surf temperature 58. There's a gale warning in effect tonight as those winds are really kicking up offshore. So for tonight, about 31. Freeze warning, drizzle, sleet, much of the night. That stuff will move off to the east as the night goes on. Then it's spotty tomorrow. Leftover near the coast in the morning, and then anybody fair game for an isolated shower during the afternoon. By the weekend, we're back in the 70s, 75, 79. But between now and then, some really cold temperatures. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel, aren't you glad you're shooting basketball tonight and not maybe football or soccer?